Hey YouTube, I just thought I'd give a quick overview of this small mini table that I just put on. Whole project takes maybe 15, maybe 20 minutes to do. It makes it a whole lot more convenient to make quick vertical cuts. The bandsaw I have is just the Harbor Freight. This is the 4x6 horizontal vertical bandsaw. And the table just barely misses the little protrusion there, and you got the 45-degree cut here to match the 45-degree cut down here, so that I can get a little bit more surface area out of it. I mostly just eyeballed all of the dimensions. There's nothing real critical. Just in case you're wondering, the stick out from the blade is about 3/4 of an inch. The whole length is about 5 3/4 and about 3.5 long. Of course, it can stick out to the back as much as you possibly want. But there's limits on how far this side can be, just due to this little piece. And this side can be quite a bit longer. The only thing is you're limited by this protrusion right here. If you were willing to cut some of that off, because you'll never actually end up using that way out here, you can make it even a little bit longer. But for the most part, pretty simple little thing. I just roughed out a little like a 4 by 5-inch piece there, and then just started lining things up. And then I milled out a tiny little recess for the actual blade there. I just used a 1/8 inch mill to mill that out, and then used the actual bandsaw to cut the track. And I welded this extra little piece on after I was done, just because I realized you could get a little bit more room out there. So that little protrusion's like 1.5 inches. But for the most part, pretty simple little addition, really quick. Seems like it's going to make things a lot more convenient to do cuts in the vertical position.